I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take auto stop off your Chevy Malibu. To temporarily disable the auto stop feature, simply locate the button on your center console. It usually has with a circular arrow around it. Pressing this button will turn the system off for your current drive, and an indicator light will confirm its deactivation. Remember, it resets with each ignition cycle. The auto stop system is designed to boost your vehicle's fuel efficiency, particularly in stop-and-go traffic. When you come to a complete stop, the engine briefly turns off to save fuel and reduce emissions. As soon as you release the brake pedal, the engine instantly and smoothly restarts, allowing for a seamless driving experience. It's a standard feature on many modern vehicles. For those seeking a more permanent solution, some aftermarket devices are available that can disable the auto stop feature indefinitely. However, it's crucial to exercise caution. Always consult with a certified mechanic or your dealership before installing any modifications. Altering your vehicle's factory systems could potentially affect your warranty coverage or compliance with emissions regulations, so proceed wisely. To recap, the easiest way to manage your Chevy Malibu's auto stop is by using the dedicated button for temporary deactivation on each drive. For any permanent changes, always seek professional guidance to ensure safety and avoid unintended consequences with your vehicle systems. And hey, while you're optimizing your ride, why not optimize your home? Check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your clean game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.